if you are facing the issue of limited originality of content, and this have been bothering you because you cannot monetize your page when you have this kind of issue, I think this video is for you. So in this video, I'm going to teach you what you can do in order to remove these violations from your page. I mean from your Facebook page. I know with this violation, you cannot monetize your Facebook page. And without looking for a solution, this issue will continue to be in your page forever if you did not do anything to resolve this issue. And that is the reason why I come up with this video, because I know that a whole lot of people are actually facing this kind of issue. And how are you going to resolve this issue? That is why I'm here. I'm going to provide every details or every information that is needed for you to be able to apply this issue and get resolved once and for all on your page. So I'm going to show you how to apply on this kind of violation. Now, there are two things that I want you to understand. We have limited originality of content. This means that your content are not original. That means you are getting clips from other people's content that have been posted on social media without proper editing or without proper commentating. Now, first, I will advise you, whenever you are copying any content from other people, make sure you put more work in that content to make it more original. If it is from the sound, please, you can remove their sound and make sure you look for a sound that will actually help your videos to be original. Now, the third thing that I want you to understand is that whenever you are posting a video from other of your Facebook page, please make sure you add different details on that videos. With that, it helps the video or the page to be different, not to be as if you are compiling the same video. Now, the third thing that I want to explain to you is I want to show you something here. I want to show you something, and please pay attention to what I'm about to show you in this video. So it's actually loading. It's actually loading. So I want to use this thing to explain a very clear something for you. Please allow it to load. Now, if you take a look on this, eh, you see that I have yellow and I have green. Okay, so I want to actually explain something to you. I have yellow and I have green. Now, what does this mean? This yellow means that my video have limited earning. Okay, why this green means that my video is actually ending without any restriction, but the yellow have restriction limit. That means there is an issue in this video. Okay, so now many people are facing this kind of issue whereby their videos will be showing yellow, yellow, yellow. Now, how do you resolve this issue? So guys, that is the same strategies that I'm going to walk you through in this video. So I'm going to click on this video now, and let me see the inside how it is. So on this process is actually loading. Please pay attention, and as you are watching this video, please make sure you like my video and share, and also support me by subscribing to my YouTube channel. Please, I'll beg you for you to do that. Just take few minutes of your time to do that. So thank you very much for subscribing to my YouTube channel and liking this video. Now you take a look on the it's a monetization limit. Now on this video, what are we going to do? I'm going to show you something here, but let me go back and explain this thing to you. Here we have our uh, monetization policy. On this monetization policy, we have content monetization policy and we have partner monetization policy. Those two things are different from each other. Now, what is partner monetization policy? Partner monetization policy is what apply on the page, like the tools, Facebook criteria like in-stream ads, stars, bonus, reels, and so on and so forth. So this is what it means by partner monetization policy. So you have to comply with those policy in order for you to get those features to be available for you. Now, on the content monetization policy, this implies on the content that you're actually creating on the platform, that you're actually posting on your social media account. So they need to follow the guidelines for you to be able to monetize those contents. Now, when you have this kind of issue that say limited originality of content, how do you apply them? Now, for you to be able to apply them, if you click on partner, you see it doesn't open. Okay, it will not open. But if you click on content monetization policy, you see here it say please include a link to the affected page slash profile. Now, what are we going to do? You see here it say provide a video URL. Okay, now this is where many people miss it all, and that is the reason why I want you to pay attention on this, what I'm about to explain to you, and pay attention on how I walk through this. Now, what you do is for you to put the page URL. Now, I'm going to use this page as an example. Now, the video that I'm about to use now, I'm going to go and copy a video from my page as an example for you guys. So let me go on my page, on one of my page, and copy a video for this tutorial. Or let me just copy any video on Facebook. Now I'm going to copy this video of this guy and then come over here and then paste this video and see what will happen. Then now, if you click on send, guys, pay attention. Oh, click on send. Now, what do you say? It's invalid video URL. This is what stop a whole lot of people whenever they want to submit content monetization policy, because they miss to understand what Facebook is saying here. Now, take a look on this thing that Facebook say, because I want you to understand. They say they see now, take a look. It say video.com/goview123. Now, the video that you need to paste in here need to have number attached with the URL of the video. Now, how do you get such videos? That is why you have to pay close attention on this video and see what I will teach you in this video. Now, we are going to go over to open another home tag. On this home tag, I'm going to click on Facebook, and then what I will do, I'm going to remove the Creator Studio and then click on send. Now, I want you to pay close attention on this. So what I will do now, I'm going to go over to a video. I'm going to go over to a video on social media, and then what I will do here, I'm going to click on share. Please pay attention. Oh, please pay attention very well. I want you to pay close attention on this video. Now, I'll click on this place that says share. This is someone video that I actually want to use an example to apply for this. Then I'll click on share. So once I click on share, what I will do, I will click on see more. Okay. Okay. No, let me use my own video so that it will actually give me what I need. I think this one will not give me. So let me actually switch to my page. I've already switched to my page. Okay, now I will go over to my video, which is here. So what I will do, I will look for a video that I actually posted. So maybe this video. So what I will do now, I will click on this share. So please, it's the same thing, share, and I click on share now. Okay, I have shared that one, please. I think, okay, wait, just hold on, please. There's something I missed on this video, so let me go. I need to click the video, so let me click the video. So I'm going to click. Here's the video. I'm going to click on this video. um, it will open like this. I think this one is okay. So here I'm going to click on this three dot. Please pay attention. Oh, there is three dot here. I'm going to click on this three dot here. I'm going to click on this three dot. So here they say embedded. Now I want, this is where you pay attention. Oh, pay attention. You say embedded video. Okay, click on this embedded. Okay, so once you click on this embedded, okay, once you click on this embedded, what you will see here that says share. Okay, now we have two different share. Before you can submit this appeal, you need to use the embedded format for you to go to another way of share. Now click on share. Click on share. Now I want you to pay attention. Oh, I want to zoom this so that you see it. You see, that is how this thing was being given to us. Now what you do, you come over here and copy this link. Okay, come over here, click copy. I've copied the link successfully. So now I'm going to minimize this one and come over to this place. So let it load. It's the same thing even if it remove. So now I'm going to zoom this one and then I'll paste this URL. So immediately I paste this URL and click send. You see, you see, you see form submitted successfully. So guys, see, you are going to get a notification from us. Remember that we use different URL. It's not because the URL is not our video. No, it is because the URL that we use is different from what Facebook wants us to submit. So that is why it takes process for you to submit this kind of appeal. If you did not get a right information or someone that actually teach you how to submit content monetization policy violation, you cannot be able to submit this kind of appeal. Okay, so this is how you go through all your videos and begin to submit them one after the other. You can submit like 3 or 4 videos and allow Facebook to review them. After review them, they are going to get back to you, and this thing, how did I call, this limited originality of content will actually be lifted from this limited originality of content will actually be lifted from your page. So it's very simple. Use these strategies and you will see how it's going to work for you. Okay, please leave a comment in the description of this video, in the comment section. Okay, if you don't understand, I'm going to break it down for you to understand. I'm there in the comment to also reply you in case you have any challenges when taking this process. So thank you for watching this video, and please like my video, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel.